Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet coffee mug cover designs model. A crochet coffee mug cover, also known as a coffee cozy, is a handmade item created using the crochet technique. It is designed to wrap around a coffee mug, providing insulation to keep the drink warm and protecting your hands from the heat. The cover typically features an opening for the mug handle and can be secured with buttons, ties, or simply by shipping it on. Crochet coffee mug covers come in a variety of designs, colors, and patterns, making them both functional and decorative. They are popular as gifts or for adding a personal touch to your coffee experience. Creating a crochet coffee mug cover can be a fun and rewarding project. Here are some tips to help you for creating a beautiful coffee mug. Choose the right yarn. Opt for cotton or acrylic yarn that can handle heat and washing. Cotton is durable, washable, and less likely to stress, while acrylic offers a wide range of colors and patterns. Select an appropriate hook size. Use a hook size suitable for the yarn you have chosen. A slightly smaller hook will give your cozy a tighter space, making it more insulating. Measure your mug. Before you start, measure the circumference and height of the mug to ensure the cozy fits snugly. Pick a simple pattern. If you are new to crochet, start with a basic single or double crochet pattern. You can add more advanced stitches like shells, cables, or bubbles as you gain confidence. Leave a space for the handle. Make sure your pattern includes a gap or opening for the handle. This can be done by chaining a gap or leaving a space in the row. Add a button or fastener. Adding a button or snap helps keep the cozy in place. You can create a loop in your design to attach to the button. Try different designs. Experiment with different textures, colors, stripes, or even fun appliques like hearts, flowers, or seasonal motifs. Test for durability. Make sure the cozy is easy to slip on and off, stays in place, and can handle regular washing without losing shape. Lock your cozy. Locking, wetting, and shaping. Your crochet cozy will help even out stitches and improve the overall look. Personalize it. Add embellishments like details, small pockets, or themed decorations to make the cozy unique and gift ready. Use the cost shot. Make a small test shot to check your cost. This ensures your stitches match the intended size and helps you avoid a cozy that's too loose or too tight. Consider a stretchy space. Stitches like ribbing Using front and back post crochet or half double crochet can give your cozy a snug, stress-free fit. Add a lining for extra insulation or better heat retention and protection. You can add a felt or fabric lining inside the cozy. This is especially useful for thinner yarns. Reinforce edge. Strengthen the edge by using slip stitches or a reverse single crochet curved stitch border. This makes the cozy more durable and gives it a polished finish. Experience with stitch patterns. Explore different textures like the puffy stitch, moss stitch, or popcorn stitch to create a cozy that stands out. Adjust the height with rows. You can easily customize the height of your cozy by adding 2 subtracting rows. This is especially useful for mugs of different sizes. Designs for different mug shapes or uniquely shaped mugs, like those with a flat top, creating a tapered design by gradually increasing or decreasing stitches in your pattern. Make it reversible. You can crochet a reversible cozy using contrasting color by making both sides presentable. This adds versatility to your design. Use stitch markers. Keep track of your rounds or rows with stitch markers, especially if working in continuous rounds. This ensures consistent stitch counts and alignment. Consider adding a base. For more stability, you can create a bottom base that wraps under the mug. This feature can add extra insulation and help prevent sliding. Personalize with appliques. Attach small crocheted motifs like leaves, hearts, or animal to make the cozy even more special. This can be sewn or crocheted directly onto the cover. These tips should help you create a functional and stylish crochet coffee mug cover. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting!